The surge in initial public offerings and new fund offers in the market can often trigger a fear of missing out or FOMO among investors. But the fear is real and can often lead investors to make impulsive decisions without fully considering the fundamentals of the company or the risks involved. In this video, we cover the important factors that investors should know before investing in IPOs and NFOs. IPO is a process through which an unlisted company goes public by selling a portion of its stake to investors. This by listing itself on stock exchanges. Now, while an IPO offers liquidity, it's important to note that there are risks associated with it. When IPO shares hit the stock market for the first time, they often face sharp price swings in the initial days of trading. Now, these fluctuations can occur due to a variety of factors, like, for example, early investors cashing out of their holdings. Now, when early investors sell their shares, it can lead to a sudden drop in price, resulting in capital losses for new investors. If you want to go for a relatively safer investment option and gain from long-term investing, then mutual funds are the way to go. How? Via an NFO. A mutual fund's new fund offer is similar to an IPO. An NFO is when an asset management company launches a new mutual fund and offers its units to investors at a fixed subscription price. The NFO period can be open for a maximum of 15 days for subscription. After the NFO period ends and allotment is done, the mutual fund will be traded based on its net asset value. Mutual funds offer a way to diversify investments and have them professionally managed, which can help make returns less volatile and reduce risk. By spreading investments across different assets like stocks and bonds, mutual funds can lower the impact of any one asset class's poor performance. And what you get at the end of the day is a well-researched, well-managed investment option compared to the volatility, uncertainty, and risks involved with directly subscribing to an IPO out of sheer FOMO. So assess your appetite and goals and choose what suits you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.